4 and 6 to round. So far, so good. Another 6-point lead. Oh, 10 din sila eh. First row. Oh, good. Burning. No good. Luka. Okay, Mr. Blake. Gets the foul. Personal foul. Chris Little. Rio Florero. Si Perez. Palitan natin si Perez. I-shooter siya kanina. Len, parang Len. Nagtanong yung kabila. Len, nagtanong yung kabila kung 10 ba kayo? Mabot kayo ng 10, Len? So you can choose after 5. Alright, back to the ball game. The running time, so. And it's a basket there. Chris, man, ball. And the foul. Casper. Casper takes it. Takes the ball in. Casper from downtown. Chris! Returning no good. Allow! Yes, sir! Rio Florero. Bad on jumper, Maurice, no good. Rebounding. Chris! That's the Casper. Yes, sir. Rio Florero fishing on the board. Big point lead. Where we fight. Right to the reverse, yes, no basket. Lano there. Right, good defense. Not a foul. Yes, up to the Rio Florero. Rio Florero finds it. No basket, down. Bobby Morales. Right in there. Finishing on board. Lano. No good. Foul by Rio Florero. And one. Team's blue ball. One shot. Mr. Mayor. Jeff, sino ba ang interview niyo? Right, back to the ball. On our second quarter.
Awat number 1.
Point lead.
Ito number 2.
Big time.
Tagit lang.
Quick foul from downtown. Nothing but net. 3 points. Foul. Intercepted. Downtown. Oh, yung ball on the around down there. Sa Kaloy from Rainbow Country. 3 points. Foul here from downtown. No good. Foul by your foul. Steady the ball. So down to Nico. Nico reversing. Yes, sir. Keep an eye. Harris. And another Milano. Intercepted by Kenneth. And Aloy. Aloy again. That's your foul. Your foul. Nico. Stopping the line. There's finally low. And two Gasper. Perry, Milano. Pacheca, Milano. Lord back to Fair. And keeping the ball alive. Milano. Intercepted. To Kaloy. Kaloy to Nico. Nico. Play away. Go back. Nico. Pass close range. No good. To Jojo. Jojo. Pass it up. Close range. Gets him down. First personal foul. Alana. 2 team fouls. Going back. Jojo. First goal, no good. Playing the game, warning. Go good there. Milano on rebound. Pass to Perez. Pass to Powell. Take the ball in. Pass to Milano. Grab it out. Jojo. Benny the ball, right up. Go good. Rebounding. Down. going there. Prepare for change five in 20 seconds. Barrett, below. To Fernandez, to Alano. To Barrett. Barrett to Macheta, Mahisa, Mason. One step back. 2 points now. 2 points. Okay. Sabi ka lang. 8-5 tayo. Yang tao. Change back. And running. No good. Back to Barrett. Barrett. Back it up. No good. Rebounding. Finish. Makes a play. For real. Revives Lord. Duran takes it. Takes the ball inside. And gets a foul. Ready for penalty. Going back. First goal, basket. Malaki ng braso ni Morales eh. Workout eh. Throw basket. Rebound. King. Barcelona running shot. Oh, basket is all in Barrett. You guys were down there to Rolando. Yes sir, Reavers. Mixer Blake. So Barcelona. Ganda na lang. Rio Floreno. Last throw, prepare for rebound. Basket. Barrett. Floater. Yes, sir. Nice long down. Good. Rio Floreno. Second personal foul, Casper. Great there. Basket. Rated again. No good. Rebound by Brilliant. Barcelona, firing out from downtown. Brandon, Ethan Strong. Foul down. Score is 26-27. Ang ganda ng laban mga kapatid. I'm glad I'm here. Solano! On board. Leading the boy. Leading the game. 2 points. Finish for the top. And our second quarter. Back to the ball game. Ravenna's play. It's going back. On the lead. Long. Second personal foul, Pulano. Bengals first throw, no good. Last throw, swish, basket. Yes, sir. Nice save. Jojo back to Barcelona. Barcelona from downtown. 3 points. Now it's 1 point lead. Joey Mike. Leto. Downtown. Foul. Third personal foul. Fernandez. Throw. Good. Sino foul? 3-0.
Here now, the usual demo tape for this particular song.
There is there. Michael on from downtown Los Rio Molinos. Pass move on. Intercept the foul. Foul. Got it. One in the hook. Good go. And that's the ball. 350. And just foul. Let's go again. Prepare for change by Viola. Well, to Benny. Benny, inbound. Bingo. Change by. Ken. Yeah, Chris, rebound. Barrett, Lopez. By Lentel, pass to Carlo. Double run, Ross, 50. That's into Marion. Stop. Shooter, pull out. Nice one. Cage the shooter. Penalty na tayo ha. First goal, good. Braden Morales from downtown. 3 points. 1 point lead going Mike. Smith to the foul. Go back and turns down rebound. Back to Morales. Morales from downtown. Go basket by Braden. Morales again. 3 points. Taking it away. Angel. To Morales. Morales takes it. To Kaloy. To Steve. Luka fires it up. No good. Braden. Yes, sir. Too good. Right? Back to the ball. Harris, back it up. Yes, sir. Braden. That's the thing there, making fire. Harris there. Back it out there. Yes, sir. Right to the basket. Range jumper. Eloy. Right. Warning for out of the game. Aling Glenn. Penalty tayo. First row. Matter of 3-point lead. Quick fire. Last row no good. Rebound. Hayden. And Perez leads them away. Perez fires it up the middle. No good. Luka. Braden to Kaloy. Kaloy to Morales. Morales from downtown. Switch. 3 points. Luka. Back to Braden. Morales to Bunny. 3 points. Harris from downtown. 3 points. Morales again. 3 points. Harris. Got short. And the third quarter. We won the game. na, pinaganda pa. Si Mr. Flex. There. Roll by Barcelona. Solano, find it. Good, Delanco. Solano find it on board. No basket. Down by Jojo. Murray to the circle. Okay, 360. Find it. No good. Rebound. Pass. Intercepted by Barcelona. Good defense there. From downtown. 3 points. No basket. Rebound. Morales. Prepare for timeout. Timeout. Point there by Benny Dupu. Back to the bogey. 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Our final round here. Full only for Bogey Mike. Hernandez. On top now. Go back to Bobby Chris. Alano. Yes, sir. Nice work there, Alano. Alright, intercepted by Chris. That's to Fernandez during the time. Kevin. Yes, good. Domingo. Intercepted by Kevin. Back to Perez. Perez to Pacencia. Pacencia from downtown. No basket. Rebounding Perez. Yes, sir. Alano again. We'll go through. Mr. Blake from downtown. No basket. Rebound. Fast foul. Foul. Mr. Blake. Second foul. In. On a shot, 4 foul. Ready for rebound. No basket. Stop. Kessler. Perez. To Alano. Still control. Perez. Pacheco from downtown. Switch. 3 points. Prepare for shot. Stop. 3 fouls to McIntyre and 1 foul for Southern Knights. That's roll basket. Straight up. Ano tayo ngayon ang goal sa komitiya ng Pompeo? Yun lang din. Four minutes and 28 seconds. Aranjal, mid-range jumper, yes sir, Paparito. There is from downtown, 3 points. Morales takes it, up to Barcelona. Barcelona to Kaloy, Kaloy to Morales. Morales from downtown, 3 points. Pachecha, no good. Barcelona rebound, pass to Morales. William Powell, good off left hand. Scooping, yes, scooping. And it's from downtown, switch, 3 points. 3-point lead. Ang 17 naman. First goal basket, quick there. So under 2 minutes tayo mag basket. There, basket. Yabaw! Rebounding. Morales to Godo. Here's after Belano. First. From downtown. Go basket. That's with Gasper. Yes, sir. Dedicated. Tire. Barcelona for them. Then to Barcelona from downtown. Switch. 3 points. Jasper. What's the back? Colano. Intercepted by Barcelona. Low running. Low basket. Kaloy rebound. Away from bola. Big time. William Powell. That's all I'm saying. Protected by Colano. Intercepted. And foul there. Gets a freeway from downtown. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 24 seconds on stop. Inbounding Kaloy. Barcelona. the board. Parents running shot. No basket, dibabayan ng cell. Si Kaloy. Kaloy! Reversing. Wow! Ang ganda. Pachecha from downtown. No basket, dibabayan ng cell. 1 minute. Tulak mo na yan. Your time. Yung bow! Wait 3 seconds now, we're final round here. Conceded. Foul. Basket. Wala pa ang sab. Ito na. Last row. Basket. Ayun. Second row. Next pala yun. Conceded. Congratulations, Big Tire for winning an elimination round. And good job going back. They're fighting out like warriors today. Player of the day. Other than the legend for Ranas. Ayun, Evar. Get the free Tim Horton cards from Kuya Thomas Miamar.
Good luck po sa inyo.
21 points. Ranas.
Pumunta ka sa akin.
Right, Morales. Horton's card from Kuya Tom Minion.